Latchel has become a part of our team. They're our maintenance coordinator, not just a software call center. They take calls 24/7, emails, texts, in addition do video troubleshooting, but assist our property managers in making sure that our residents get constant attention and immediate feedback and help to solve simple issues and then coordinate major issues. In addition to that, it has become a revenue stream, but also shielding costs. Instead of paying for a call center, it's kind of built in. And then in addition, our tenants, residents get better service, 24/7 coverage, limiting our liability, but also giving them a better rental experience. Latchel has been great to work with, and I look forward to seeing what they have in store for them moving forward. I would highly recommend them.